everybody, I'm Ivy, founder of Ivey's K-12 Math. If you're looking for a way to help your children excel in math, you've come to the right place. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where we turn math learning into fun and engaging adventure. On this channel, we're offering a variety of math skill builders that cover everything from basic arithmetic to advanced problem techniques. Each skill builder comes with personalized video tutorials that guide your children through each problem step by step. So it's like having a tutor right there with them. Here's what you can expect to find on our channel: engaging videos that make learning math enjoyable and effective. We bring math to life with real-world examples that your kids can relate to. Fun challenges that test your child's skills and keep them motivated. Practical advice and strategies to help you support your child's math education at home. You can check out some of our popular videos like Find the Missing Number with grocery shopping, Multiplication Made Easy with birthday party planning, and Long Division Fun with baking cookies. These videos not only teach math concepts, but also show how math is used in everyday life. Awesome. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. By subscribing, you'll get access to all the latest tutorials, tips, and challenges that can help your child master math. And also join our community of dedicated parents and students. Leave comments, ask questions, and share your child's progress. We love hearing from you and seeing our skill builders are making a difference. Remember, each skill builder is just $5 and comes with personalized video tutorial. So head over to our channel, subscribe, and let's make math learning a fun and rewarding experience for your kids. Thanks for watching and happy learning. We're at Ivey's K-12 Math. We're turning math struggles into math success stories. Peace.